Hi, welcome back to 5150, and today we're going to be installing the Nemesis crawler flares. So you're going to need a 9/16 socket, oh not 7/16, 9/16, an 18, a 19, some panel poppers, some ratchets and some drill bits, hammer, and also a deburrer. Removing 3 bolts, or 4. You no longer need them, so you just go them. There's one up here.
Oh, that one's broken. There's 2 up here. Here?
Oh, this bracket's already broken. Not it.
There. Alright, and in there.
I got that one. Oh, yeah.
No, you didn't.
I can't see it. What the fuck out of this shit? Alright.
Ow. Move, level up this one. That ain't removed. It's like someone sorted to. Alright, what you gonna do, Ryan? No? Be gentle because there's a harness behind
Oh, and there's a zip tie on it.
Why is there a zip tie on it?
What do you think? There's the harness.
You can get it right there. So what do you do? Pull the red tab?
Yeah.
And then what you do? Pull the black tab?
Yeah.
And then what do you do? Pull?
No, flathead screwdriver.
That looks healthy.
I gotta remove the harness.
Just cut the zip ties.
They're not zip ties.
Can I just show you how? Just.
No, right there.
Tape ready. We got this one too.
Oh, I forgot this one already broke, so maybe that's what I'm gonna say.
Now we have to remove this bracket, but it already died.
Alright, removing all these clips. Because we're gonna make those holes bigger. Okay. All the way out.
No, you're not underneath. There you go. Probably wipe it down.
You bring the front down at all? It's so far off. Front lined up.
Hold on.
Do you see?
Pop it off.
Pressing the hammer.
No.
Just tap it down. How's your pinky? Just tap it down.
wasn't expecting it to move like that. Were you?
Nope.
That's better?
Try not so much. What the hell is it hitting on the front? Oh.
Let me give it one more. Well, I didn't want to redo it.
Bad if I make it work.
That looks way better than the other side, honestly.
Heavy pint says. It's not gonna go through.
What was the WD-40 for?
It's called loop.
Surprised you've ever even heard of it. That's a beautiful noise.
Yeah, these ones have to be too.
You just passed one. There you go. I really hope you marked that one right. Break it, will you? So we're gonna stick the bolts in the holes. Get a pair of vice grips. I forgot the vice grips. Walk of shame. You forget the drill bit too?
Is it two or just one drill?
I think just one.
There'll be one there.
Clamp right there. You look at it, catch on the camera.
Oh, that's really thick again. There's a loop. Oops. Move it.
Now you're gonna put a bolt and a nut in that?
Yes. Alright, was there a short one in here?
Yep. Now you're gonna need a reamer. I saw the reamer on the table. Just using a larger drill bit to ream out the holes to clean the mess we made. I'm gonna do it that way. Oh, the question is just that thing. Right? You know if you drilled it or if it's a factory hole if it has paint. Oh, that's good. I'm gonna pull up one this week. To drill one up because you put it in one spot. We're going to give it a quick wipe down with a nice clean rag. Maybe a little bit of water. And of course use the dirty part.
Oh, you're never going to see any of this.
Now you're going to grab your fender. You're going to chuck it on like so. And you're going to call it a day.
No need to more.
And I'm going to start with this one because this one seems like it's going to be this one's wheel. Now the light's nice and hidden, right like so. So we're just going to do a quick job. We'll come back and clean it up. So we're going to plug the harness into the connector. So red is the blinker, black is the running, and white is ground.
So I can cut white, because I know where that goes. We can crimp those together.
Bam.
Here, you put one on.
So black to white brown. And we are going to be putting nice ends on this eventually. Just not today.
We'll solder them together later. We're going to do the inners.
Just not today because we're trying to go to school. No. Alright.
Yep, blinker's working.
Running's working?
Running, blinker. Yep.
Just blinker?
Yep, that's just blinker.
Alright guys, we just finished the install of the Nemesis crawler front flares. Fairly good install, wasn't too difficult. We're waiting for the rear fenders. They're being shipped currently. We're gonna paint the fenders to match the body. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.